All of you audible, guys? Okay, right. So in the last, what we can say, the last day, we are discussing about the Cartesian joint here. Okay, and Cartesian joint, how it was working, we discussed in the last class. Let you see, guys, here. Yes. So Cartesian join or cross join. Basically, this join is used for joining the table data, okay, without any condition we said here. And how it was going to be displaying your data means in a cross join, each row of first table is comparing with each row of the second table. Each row of the second table. Okay, now? So I said here a table is having m number of rows, and another table is having n number of rows. Then the result of cross join is m cross n rows, we said. Okay, and for that purpose, one small example also we taken out. Okay, so it might be 6 p.m. So we have your student table and course table here. Okay. So come to, so these are the two tables, guys, here, the student. And one more thing is there, like the course table. So these are the two tables now. And each table is having some rows, guys. So your student table is having 1021, 22, 23 is a one record. And in course table, we have your course ID, course ID, course ID. So these are three. So your 3 into 3, 3 into 3 means here 9 times your rows will be joins together. 9 times your good joins. Okay, so student comma student cross join, and we are passing here course. So I don't want to give any condition, guys, here. I'm just going to execute it now. And now see, so 3 into 3, total 9 times it was going to be joined here. Total 9 times it was going to be joined. So how it was joining, can you see, guys, here? Each row of a table joins with all row of other table. So 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30. Okay, then 20, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, then 40, 10. Okay, 40, 20, and 40, 30. Okay, now? So like it was, each and every row is going to be joined. Each and every row is going to be joined. Okay, now? So this is what simply a cross join without having any condition, how the two tables data is going to be joins together. But here the question is, we said in the question, where we can use a cross join in real time. Where we can use a cross join in real time. Okay, right. Suppose the cross join where we can use means, so simply we can say whenever you want to go for billing statements. Okay, so billing statements. Okay, then we are going to be using, guys, here. So whenever you want to generating bills, okay, after purchasing of products, okay, after purchasing of products, and nowadays we can see everything will be online. Everything will be online. Okay, now everything will be online. So in this, everything will be online, and everything will be online billing statement. That is called a computerized bills. Everything. Yes or no? Nowadays, maximum, if you go to any showrooms or any showrooms, if you go after purchasing of products here, maximum what it was happened everywhere we have a computerized bills. So that means bill automatically generated here, and those computerized bills we are going to be giving to the customers. So that's why in billing statements, how it was generated means The internally mechanisms are using cross-join mechanism. Cross-join mechanism is used. For example, let you see. For example, let you see. Suppose I have a few tables here. So in my database now, the two tables are there. The two tables are there now. Okay, so one is select a star from items 1. Second table, select a star from items number 2. These are the two tables we have it, guys. Let you see and check out. In items 1 table, we have some item serial number, item name, and price was there. So your serial number 1, 2, name is pizza. So what one item name is pizza, and 350. Second one is burger. Okay, 125. And the next one is serial number. So second table, and name is pork. Okay, name is pork, and 80 rupees, and Coca-Cola. Okay, this is what now. One more table was there here. That is items number. Okay, 2 here. So these are the two items, 1, items 2 tables are there. Okay, now in our database, my database here. Item 2. Okay, right. So these are we have two tables here. So in items one table, we have some serial number, okay, name and item name, price is there. Second table, serial number, name and the price is there. Okay, now? So these are some items in items 1 and these are some items in items 2, right? Now, so on these two tables of items, if any customer, they can come out and they can select any combination of items. They can select what now? Any combination of items. So whatever the combination of items, the customer is going to be selected here. The customer is going to be selected here. Okay. So based on customer items combination, I need to generate my bill. I need to generate my bill. Okay. I need to generate my bill. So for bill generating purpose, how we are going to be writing now? Let you see that. So your select star from items 1, I1 is alias name. I1 is alias name. Next, items items number 2 is a I2. So these are what now? Items 1, I1 is alias name. Cross one, items 2, I2. So in between, in place of star, I'm going to doing some calculation part I'm writing now. Like I1 dot I name, okay, comma, I1 dot price, comma, I2 dot I name, comma, I2 dot price. Okay, I2 dot price. After that here, so I1 dot name only now. Our column name is name. Okay. Next, after that here, I am giving some calculation here. I1 dot price. Okay, plus I2 dot price. This I1 and I2, now what I'm going to showing here, this I1 and I2, I'm going to showing as I1 and I2 as a total price, as a total price. Now, alias name. Okay, the total amount of bill, total amount here, total amount here. Okay, no? Right. So, total amount and later, okay, right. So, this is what completely. And now I'm going to execute this one. When I'm going to execute this one and see what it was happen. Now, the any combination of two products total bill is showing us. So when customer is selected, the combination of item pizza 350 rupees with the Pepsi combination 25 rupees and the total bill is 375 rupees. Burger 125 rupees and combination burger with the combination Pepsi was taken 25 rupees and total bill is 150. So what another customer he came out, he was selected pizza with a combination of Coca-Cola, then total bill is 370 rupees. So burger 125 and Coca-Cola 20. So burger with the combination of Coca-Cola and 145 rupees. So that means in the two tables, there are different items are there. So customer can come and selected any combination of item when he was selected. Okay, then I need to pass total amount. I need to pass total amount. Okay, now. So this is what we called as guys here. Okay, now the cross join advantage and where we can use cross join means whenever you want to generating bills. So there we can use a cross join. There we can use a cross join, right? Now, so this is what it was cross join advantage, guys. Okay, now, right? And later the last join was there. Whatever the last join is, natural join. So basically, guys, here the natural join, basically natural join, SQL server not supported, SQL server not support, but Oracle database supporting natural join. So this is very important, guys, to keep it in your mind. Natural join in SQL server not allowed. That means it is not supported by SQL server database, the natural join. But same natural join we can implement under Oracle database. Okay, now. So if anybody asks you, natural join can I implement in my SQL server means no, SQL server is not supporting, right? So these are the complete joins, guys. Okay, how we want to go for to implement these all joins, whatever it was there, ANSI and non-ANSI format of joins, all we are discussing here. So equi join in non-ANSI we discuss equi, non-equi cell, and ANSI inner, outer, left, right, outer, cross join, and natural joins. And finally, all are supported, but natural join is not supported in our SQL server. Okay, now so this is what we called as guys here joins here, and up to now whatever we discussed, these are the two tables operations we discussed, guys, here. For example, if you want to join, so that's simple logic observe. How to join more than two tables. So how to join more than two tables, and only the syntax is remember, based on this syntax you can perform it. Okay, now so now I'm giving here syntax for, first I will show you non-ANSI joins. The syntax for non-ANSI joins, how it will be, observe now. So I'm passing here select star from, okay, so carefully observe, guys, table name 1 comma, table name 2 comma, table name 3 comma, table name 4 comma, and so on. So like this you can pass your number of tables. After that, where you have to pass it here, condition number 1, end operator, condition number 2, end operator, condition number 3, okay, end operator, and so on. So like this, we are going to be writing our conditions, guys, here. Okay. So condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3 and condition number 4 and 5 and 6. So like this, we have to write. So in conditions, whenever you are writing conditions, how the conditions will be right means, the conditions can be right like this. Table 1 is equals to table 2. Table 2 is equals to table 3. Table 3 is equals to table 4. So in such a pattern, that means chain conditions we call. Chain condition. Table 1 is equals to table 2. Table 2 is equals to table 3. Table 3 is equals to table 4. Conditions you have to follow it. So in such a way, the chain condition. Okay. For example, I'm showing one example on equijoin example. Let you see. So come out and see in our database MyDB 6 PM. I was prepared here. Total, these are the tables we have it here as of now in MyDB 6 PM. I just open and few tables are there here. So one more table I'm going to preparing in this database, guys, here. So one more table I'm going to preparing here. The next table is create table. The table name is register, and I'm taking registration number. Integer type, registration data type, and common column course ID here. The third table I'm going to preparing, guys, here. So my third table is successfully created in MyDB 6 PM database. So let you see to refresh and registered. Okay, now I want to insert some data into register now. So registration number 1, registration data, suppose 2021 04 05, and course ID 10. Second one, 2021 04 okay 18, then registration and date and course ID. Next, 2021 04 22, and here okay 50 I was given. So like this, I inserted some data, guys, here, and now finally come back here and let you see, guys, here the three tables I'm showing. First of all, select a star from student is a one table. Select a star from course is another table. Select a star from okay registered is a third table. So these are the three tables information we have it, guys, here, and let you see the three tables information one by one. So student ID table, okay, student information, course ID table, course information, and the register table, register information we have it here. Okay, right. So in these three tables, common column is there. CID is a common column. And in this common column, 1020 matching data, 1020, 1020, 30, 40, 50 unmatching data, right? Now, so let you see, guys, here. Now I want to go for it. Okay, now. So now I'm writing here the equijoin. Select a star from, okay, all tables one by one you can pass, alias name, comma, course C, and third table, like continuously your table names, you have just pass it. After passing three tables or four tables or five tables or 10 tables or 20 tables, whatever it is, Then you have to use where condition. First condition is what now? S dot CID is equals to C dot CID, end operator, C dot CID is equals to C dot CID is equals to R dot CID. This is called as a chain condition. This is called as a chain condition. So table 1 is equals to table 2, table 2 is equals to table 3, table 3 is equals to table 4, table 4 is equals to table 5. So like this you have to go. And now I'm going to executing now. Then you can see the three tables information, and that too matching information is taken from three tables. Okay. So the student, okay, ID name 1021, his name is Sai, his course ID 10, his selected course is C language, he was paid amount 1000 rupees, his registration date 2021-45. Okay, 1022, another student, his name is Miller, his course ID 20, he selected course SQL server and he paid 2500, and he was registered on the date of 2024-18. Okay, he was registered. So like this, more than two tables informations we are going to be, okay, joining like this by same syntax. It's just a logic. The syntax, if you understand, so it will be working as it is simple. Okay, now, right. In the same pattern, syntax for ANSI joins. Okay, now if I'm giving syntax for ANSI joins, so how the syntax will be there, just a little bit difference was there. The difference carefully identify. So select a star from table name 1. Here I want to give join key compulsory and table number 2. After table number 2, immediately have to write your on class condition number 1. Okay. Again, we have to use join key. So whenever you want to add a table number 3, you can add table number 3. Okay, now. So, and again, if you using condition, then you can use condition on condition number 2. If you want to add, suppose the next table, fourth table you want to add, again, you can give join key and you just pass it here table number 4 and give your condition on condition number 3. So like this, okay, you like this, you have to go for to join one by one table here. So first table 1, join key table 2 on condition, again join key table 3 on condition, again join key table 4 on condition, again join key table number 5 on condition. So like one by one table. Whenever you want to add one by one table, we are using what now? Join key statement. For example, let you see on this, we will see one join is inner join. Okay, we are going to be checking out inner join now. Let it come out. In this inner join statement, so same thing. Okay, there are three tables I have it here. Okay, now as usual we have it three tables, and now I'm going to writing now. Select star from student S and join key. What is my join key statement? Inner join key. So we are passing course C and immediately condition on S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. Okay, now again I have to use join key, so inner join, and the third table I'm adding registered R, and immediately I have to condition R dot CID, sorry, C dot CID is equals to R dot CID. So these are also chain conditions, guys. Okay, now I'm going to execute this one. So when you executed this one, same inner join is also same kind of output is going to be showing, because of reason inner join is also working on equal operator. Okay, now so these are what guys here. So the joins, okay, inner and inner join on more than two tables, as well as equi join on more than two tables. Okay, my point is clear now, right? So like this, we have to go for any number of tables as your wish. Any number of table we can go for it, right? Okay, so now these are joins, guys. Just so joins are completed. Okay, and I stop it, guys, today because the power is not there in my home. Okay, in Hyderabad heavy rain, so I stop it here, and tomorrow we will go for one new concept. Okay, tomorrow we will go for one more new concept in your SQL server, right? Right, yes, sir. Thank you so much.